This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing excess moisture and ensuring even pieces, because a dry surface helps coating stick. Once done, trim fat and portion the chicken into similar sizes to cook uniformly. Make sure to season now, salt and pepper on both sides. Then arrange 3 shallow trays in order: seasoned flour, a whisked egg wash, and breadcrumbs, so you can move quickly. This reduces double handling and keeps the breading crisp instead of soggy during the process. Now you perform the key sequence: dredge, dip, and coat. Each step builds adhesion and texture. First, lightly dust the chicken in flour and shake off the excess so the egg sticks, not clump. Next, plunge into the egg wash and lift, letting extra drip back. This is the glue layer. Finally, press the breadcrumbs onto the surface, covering edges and seams. Use firm, even pressure to create consistent coverage. Once coated, set on a rack to rest briefly so the coating sets. To finish, cook immediately in your chosen method until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Frying gives the quickest crisp, baking is hands-off, and air frying combines both. Once cooked, rest the pieces for 3 to 5 minutes on a rack so juices redistribute and the crust firms. If the coating separates, make sure you pat it dry. Use the flour egg breadcrumb order, and consider chilling the breaded pieces for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking, or gently repressing crumbs to reattach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.